Chemical spilt in train injuring 5 commuters. On Friday 19 December 2014, Mainohar Shetty, age 62, was carrying chemical used for cleaning in an Ambernath bound train. Shetty, on finding fumes erupting from the container, tried to fling the container out of the running train. In a panic, he dropped it on the floor and the chemical spilled on co-passengers. 5 people, one of them a woman, sustained burn injuries, who alleged the liquid was acid and complained of uneasiness hours after the incident. Dr. Raghnath Rathod, civil surgeon, said all 5 suffered 10 to 15% burn injuries but are out of danger. Railway Commissioner Ravinder singhal said that investigation is going on. News by Dhruti Thakkar, News 129.